Welcome back. Alibaba stock technicals to watch from here. So on Tuesday, stock is up 1.5%. That's where it closed, 125. So pre-market, we had a gap up for the stock and it couldn't break that 130 resistance. So tried to stay up there pre-market. As soon as market opened, people pretty much sold it. But the good thing is it tried to hold previous days, Monday's highs as a support. So what to watch from here now? So 130, we know that this level on a daily chart, that's the resistance we have, and above this level we don't have much of a resistance until the stock hits 140, 150, and then 160. So basically every $10 I will be watching as a resistance. If you look at the MACD, we don't have a quite a reversal on a MACD yet, but if you look at the 4-hour chart, maybe you will see that maybe we are getting that reversal here. If you see the MACD line, signal line get back above the zero line, and for that we need to see another positive day. We need to see stock pretty much try to get out of this zone as quick as possible, maybe get back above 140, so bulls have a little bit of a confidence. 130, maybe bulls will take another shot for the rest of the week to take the stock back above 130. At the moment, this is the resistance. Also, if we go higher from here, more of a decent resistance for me would be that 50-day moving average, which is downtrending at the moment, 154.50. So yellow line on my screen represents 50-day simple moving average, and this blue line right here is a 20-day. So if we get to these levels, then we can talk about stock finally reversing and maybe finding some footing. Until then, well, it was only 1 day of a green day, but it's good that it didn't go lower than 110 or even 100, because a lot of people were already giving up, saying that, hey, I think the stock is going to go even lower than $100. But a bit of a relief rally, I want to call this pop here, and those are the resistances to watch to the upside. Also today's option activity. Let's have a look at total volume, 174,000, puts 146,000, so calls 175. So pretty much about the same amount of calls and puts were traded. Let's just glance at the orders that came in today and maybe see if there were some decent bullish bets or bearish bets, what people were betting on. So by looking at these order flows, so I just filter out, but by the biggest that came in, so you can see, well, there are people still trading 180 call, 180 put. Like these were the biggest orders that were traded, but these are the spreads. 110 put, $200 call for next year, April 250 call, 165 call for January. I'm just gonna go through the naked calls. We're not gonna look at the spreads, because spreads, well, these guys are betting for implied volatility to cool off maybe, or take advantage of the time decay. So what else out there? So by looking at these orders, it's hard to tell whether option activity was clearly bullish or clearly bearish. So 50-50 for me that particular day. So yeah, nothing to add, nothing to say about option activity. Pretty neutral to me. But the price action, just like I said, we need to see more green days for this stock, so more people become attracted and more people have that feeling saying, hey, oh my god, I might have missed the bottom, so I will chase it here and here. So maybe yeah, that's what we want to see going forward, because today overall market was pretty green, and even like a lot of tech names gained pretty big percentages, but Alibaba did not have a follow through. So gapped, filled that gap. Well, it's a good thing that it didn't go below Monday's highs. So let's see what happens tomorrow. We'll definitely cover. But for now, that's the update for Alibaba. See you guys in the next one.